California earthquake live. Latest update along San Andreas fault. A series of shocks hit California was rocked today by a fresh earthquake measuring 3.4 in magnitude, followed closely by a 3.0 earthquake in Alaska. It follows an intense 24-hour period of earthquake activity in the area, prompting fears of a big one on its way. Here are the latest news and updates. New earthquakes have hit California and Alaska today after seismic activity remains unpredictable along the San Andreas fault line. An earthquake measuring 3.4 magnitude struck El Cerrito, California at 12:47 p.m., 4:47 m local time. This was followed by several quakes in Alaska, with one measuring 3.7 magnitude. 10 earthquakes hit California in the space of 24 hours on Thursday, with 3 of them measuring more than magnitude 4. Here is the latest news and updates on the Californian and Alaskan earthquakes, all times in GMT.